In this video, we are going to learn how to solve the Lagrange's equation using method of multipliers. First, we have to know that it is of which form. So, this equation is of the form capital P small p plus capital Q small q equal to R. We can see that here small p is there, here small p is there. So, we are taking this whole as a capital P. Here small q is there, here small q is there. So we are going to take this as capital Q. So equal to R. So this this term as R. So we are writing P equal to this x into z square plus y square. Capital Q equal to y into x square minus z square. Capital R equal to z into y square minus x square. So now auxiliary equation is this. We have to remember dx by capital P equal to dy by capital Q equal to dz by capital R. Now substituting P, Q, R from here, it will become dx by x into z square plus y square equal to dy by y into x square minus z square equal to dz by z into y square minus x square. Now we have to choose the multipliers. So we have it should be, if we choose a multiplier, then the sum of all the denominator should be 0. So in such form we have to choose a multiplier. So there will be only few sets of multipliers we can remember. We can try it in the rough side. Here I am going to choose x, y, z as multipliers. Each of the above ratio is, so we are going to multiply in the numerator as well as in the denominator with x, y, z. So x dx by x into x square into z square plus y square equal to y into dy y square into x square minus z square equal to z into daz by z square into y square minus x square. So here if we are going to add all of this denominator, it will be going to be 0. So that like we have to choose the multipliers. So leave the denominator and add just the numerators. X dx plus y dy plus z dz equal to 0. Now we have to integrate this. Integrating x dx plus y dy plus z dz equal to 0. So integrating, which gives x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2 equal to some constant c. Now in the denominators 2 is common, so x square plus y square plus z square by 2 equal to c. Move the 2 into right side, which gives equal to 2c. Now x square plus y square plus z square equal to c1, where c1 is 2c. We have to choose two sets of multipliers. In one set of multiplier we choose x, y, z. So in another set of multipliers we can choose another sets of multipliers, which gives the addition of denominators as 0. So choose another set of multipliers. I am going to choose 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. So each of the above ratio is, so in this we are going to multiply by 1 by x, 1 by z, 1 by y, 1 by z. So it becomes dx by x plus dy by y plus dz by z by x by x into z square plus y square plus y by y into x square minus z square plus z by z into y square minus x square. So if we see that the denominator will become 0, here z square is there, here minus z square is there. So all will, this is minus, here minus is there, here plus is there, here plus x square is there, here minus x square is there. So all the denominator will become 0. So we can write only the numerator After this step, we are going to integrate the last step. So integrating dx by x will give log x, dy by y will give log y, integrating dz by z will give log z equal to log c. So we know that log a plus log b plus log c we can write as log abc. So likewise we are going to write log xyz equal to log c. Here both side log is there, so cancel xyz equal to c2, where c2 is log c. So general solution is psi of c1 comma c2 equal to 0. So c1 we arrived as x square plus y square plus z square. c2 we arrived as xyz equal to 0. So I am sharing these notes in the description. Kindly check and see. Thank you.